It's that time again. I'm Will, and you're watching Pelish Crypto and More, where we not only do crypto stocks, crypto mining, but we do regular stocks as well. Oh boy. So let me move my face down here in the corner. Earlier today, this VRAX this morning was just off the rails. It did really well for a lot of people. I, however, cannot trade it, and I did talk with the people over at Moomoo today. I want to give a shout out to Peyton and Robert and the boys over there. Guys, you're doing a wonderful job. Keep doing your best for everybody that uses Moomoo. I cannot say anything. It's a good thing. Let's put it that way. Anyway, we're going to look at these stocks. So you can see this first one, AMST. I, again, cannot trade AMST right now. I would like to trade AMST, but unfortunately, it's not happening. It did have a decent run to $1.50 here from 78 cents. It's kind of one of those situations, right, that I don't know enough about it. I can't recommend it. Okay, it looks like they beat estimates. They were up from 16 cents to, from the estimate, they beat it by estimates for year over year for profits and earnings by a penny. So if that's your sort of thing, by all means, go for it. YOOV, again, I don't know enough about it. Looks like they had something going on Friday. Not my cup of tea. Now, this one, ENHA, Enhanced Group, okay, they surged 87% post-market. As of 30 minutes ago, they're down now, 60% from the high, which I would think is not all that bad. It went to $7. I would say that chances are this is going to have a comeback in the morning. Let's see if I get some of the comments. I know it's kind of cut off. Lucid Capital initiates Enhanced Group with a buy rating target of 15. The free float is 68 million. Okay. And the float market, of course, is 342 million. You can see the little 3-4 right here. Sorry, I cut it off, boys and girls. The float is too high for me. Could this move? Yes, it proved that it could. I can't recommend it. Here's an oldie but a goodie. The free float on this is 21.36K. That's 21,000 with 22,000. The float market cap, of course, is 51,000. So this can run, and I can trade it. I will be watching this because, to be honest with you, I have taken it hard on this stock in the past, so therefore I'm going to see what I can do to maybe retrieve some of my money. As you can see, it's moving from 6 to 7. Craig is another one, but this is a possibility for me. Craig is another one that I talked about last night, right? They are definitely moving higher. This is based on oil, okay? Energy consumption. That's a fact. This is based on technologies, AI, and so on. It's a Chinese stock. So I would be looking at this one just to get a couple dollars back out of them. Craig, the same thing in a sense, except for I'll be watching oil prices. Now, Craig has a free float of 22 million, a float market cap of 14.04 million. So keep an eye on this, guys. These two can turn into runners. Now, I can look at YMAT. YMAT is one of these ones I can't trade, but that is something that can be of use. Now that Bitcoin is kind of doing something, I'm going to suggest something, and this is kind of far-fetched, guys. BNKK, the bonk stock, okay? If Bitcoin moves, this is going to run, okay? As you can see, it went up to 222 here at about 4 o'clock, 1548. That was the high for the day. It was 223. If you can get this on the dip at 210 or less, it might be worth your time. It's worth my time. I've got plenty of them. But my cost average is higher. And so it's one to keep an eye on, or you can grab it on the dip and play hurry up and wait and play it as a swing play. That is kind of what I'm seeing here. As you can see right now, Bitcoin is down, just over 0.25%. And, well, I'm not going to get into too much more as far as that's concerned. So, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Hey friends, Will here from Pelish Crypto and More. When you guys are out looking for big boy ASICs to bring in some real big hash rate, head on over to megaminer.market. That's right. So if you're looking for pricing, they give you an updated price list on the daily from where it ships from. And you'll never pay any tariffs whatsoever. As far as that's concerned, most of these ship stateside, new and used. If you want to go learn.megaminer.market, you have more information about them over there. If you're looking to contact them, you can use Telegram as it's listed here. I regularly work with Alex or Nick. No question about it. You can click on the About tab and you can talk to Nick or Alex or even Trenton if you want. Abe, any of the guys, they're very super helpful. They can also provide you with hosting if that's something you're interested in. So check out megaminer.market today for not only your big boy ASICs, but some of your home mining ASICs as well, like the AlphaPex DG1 Home and some of the smaller Canon products as well.